Due to the massive hype surrounding NFT, more and more people want to create NFT themselves. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally turn any image into NFT art in just few minutes. This includes a couple of steps, so make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end so that you will get all the information. If this video helps you out, make sure you like, subscribe, and also click the notification button if you haven't already. I will really appreciate that. With that said, let's get right into the video. First of all, we're going to download picture or pictures that we're going to transform into an NFT art. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like a Danfo boss, something that is unique to make this NFT art. So let's go to image and look for a picture. Let me use this image. Right click and save the image on the desktop. Now we're going to transform this image into an NFT art. So the next thing we need to do is we'll go to a website that is called Be Funky. You can sign up on this website if you wish. I'll put a description below this video in case if you want to sign up. So once you open the website, click on Open from Computer. Double click on the image. This is the image we're going to transform to an NFT art. So there's so many things you can do on this website. You can crop, rotate, cut out, background, different things. But I'm not going to go through all this. I'm going straight to transform this image to an NFT art, to a painting. We all know that what actually sells in NFT is mostly art. You can't put your personal image and expect anybody to come and buy it. It has to be something very, very unique. I'm not going to go to edit, touch up, effects. I'm going to go to Artsy. From this Artsy, digital image, cartoonizer, there are so many ways you can transform an image. So for those of you that would like to try, you can try most of these things out. Let's go down to watercolor. Click on it. The image is going to change. Let's wait a little. It uses an internet. I really don't like this. Let's check this. Let's go back again and go to Artsy. The one I normally use is digital art. So let's start from the down one, Pop Art DLX. Okay, this looks like an artwork. Let me go to the first one, Patronizer. I think this is good. If you zoom this image, you can see the people in there, their faces has changed. It looks like an artwork. Let me undo. Let's click on the second one and check. Let's check the third one. As you guys can see, this looks like an artwork. This first one is fine. I like the way even the rim of the tire is. If you undo, you will see all the knots and the whole rim, but if you click on this, it looks more like an artwork. So this one will be okay. So go here and save to my computer. I have to sign up before I can be able to save and upgrade. So what I'm going to do now is Control Alt print screen. Go open Photoshop. Since I cannot save the picture and I don't have time to sign up on this site, let me munch and bring in the picture. I've just munched the picture. Control Alt print screen. You will munch your laptop screen. So I'm going to paste this picture once this Photoshop loads. Go to File, New, Transparent, okay, and paste. This is the image. Go to File again, Save As, Desktop, JPEG, save the image. Okay, let's go and open the image. This is the image. Right click on it, open with Microsoft Office 2010 Picture Manager. Edit, crop. Let's select only the image. Then okay, then save this. But meanwhile, we made a mistake. As you can see, there's this image of the original picture down below here. So I think we're going to go back and zoom. Now Control Alt print screen, come back here, File, New, Transparent, paste. Let's save this particular one. Save, JPEG. Okay, there's no little box on this one, so we're going to go back and open this. Right click, open with Picture Manager. Edit, crop. Okay, save. So when you open this image now, you can see this looks like an artwork. So with this, you can create any image and turn it to an NFT project. Let's try one more image. Let's transform this image and see how it looks. Wow. As you can see Ronaldo image to an artwork. Let's undo. Let's click the second one. So with this software, you can transform any kind of image to an NFT art. If this video was helpful to you, please consider hitting the subscription button and smashing the notification button and also the like button so that others will see this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.